Thanks for joining us today, and we are going to be showing you how to charge your AC system up. Now this is the #1 selling we charging kit. It's AC Pro Max, as you can see, and it actually has leak sealer for like the seals and stuff. The most common problems, it can help with a leak. Now this system right here did have a leak, but the most common problem I found with a lot of AC systems is this schrader valve. What I call a schrader valve. That valve in goes bad and leaks off pressure. We just put a new valve in that, so I'm going to be showing you how to charge the system. Need to remove your cap, get your AC Pro. You can pick this up at your local Advance Auto and shake it up. And then once you get that shook up, go ahead and start your vehicle. Now to activate this, after you get shook up, you want to remove the cap and remove the little tab that's under here, then we screw the lead back on it. Next step will be connect your nozzle. And then I got my buddy inside trying to cycle the AC. We are watching it to see if it starts spinning. It has not started spinning yet. AC compressor is spinning. We had to put a little bit in it before it would spin and kick on, but sometimes you can mess with the switch and get it kick on if it ain't too low. Now when you're putting it in, you want to be sure to keep the can and shake it ever so often. With the compressor running, as you can see, we are at 20. We almost filled. Now, my favorite spot to get these is right between the 40, kind of right in the middle of the green, and we almost are. Hose is getting ice cold now. That's a good sign. We got it filled up, charged up with the AC Pro. Good to go. Put your cap back on it. You can get inside and feel how much colder it is. Now, you can't tell much about this little thermostat as I can't figure out how to work it, but it's ice cold pretty well to the touch with your hand. I don't know why this don't work. Can't make heads or tails out of it. Anyway, if you're having trouble with your AC, check this stuff out. It seems to do pretty good. And if you're having a leak, check your schrader valve. It could be better. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check my channel out for more content. Also drop me a like if you found it helpful, and be sure to leave me a comment. I enjoy hearing from you if you did find it useful, and show your support by subscribing to my channel for more videos like this.